Welcome to another review this with Starboard bow. Let's check out and see what's in the package that Santa sent us. Dash camera. I did one of these about I think like 3-4 months ago. Let's check it out. Put that right there. Dash cam. P10 Pro, 10-inch large touchscreen, 4000 by 1080p resolution, collision detection for driving and parking. None of this is new in a lot of these rear view cameras. These dash cams can be used for YouTubers. You just press a button to start the video and you don't have to worry about cameras and putting, starting up the GoPro, the rear view. It's got the front cam, it's got the GPS, which gives you the latitude, longitude of the location where you're at. When they first asked me to do a review of it, but it's been a while since I heard from them, so I didn't even know if they were going to be even sending this to me. So here's more info. We got the model, the P10 Pro, the input's 5 volts. The Pelsee Pro 10 Plus. It's great packaging. Boom. Oh, we got the actual Pelsee camera monitor, and we all love this satisfying feeling of pulling this baby apart, but you're gonna have to wait because I'm gonna keep that on there so we don't disturb it. Put that right. Yeah, we got the rear view camera. A lot of cable here. That's important. That's the GPS. GPS rear view. 12 volt cigarette lighter charger. For running, you have to use that obviously to run it. And there's some two-way tape, two-way sticker. I'm sure it's for the for the back of the rear view camera, depending on where you're going to put it. You got your user's manual. This tool is used so that you can stick the wire in above on the dash, the lining of the car, wherever it's at. Little thank you card. Well, thank you, sir. That was nice of them. We're here to help. Little warranty information, contact information card. Oh, check this out. 32 gigabyte SIM card that comes with the unit. That's a positive right there, boys. I'm telling you, boys and girls, sorry, and everybody. What are these? Oh, okay. These right here are clips, look. So you can put it, clip it on the back of that and then around. Oh, I like that better than that last camera I did had magnets on them. They kept falling off. This is a great idea because you can, I'll show you later down the road, but I have other ideas for these cameras other than using them on your winch, on your rear view mirror. Let's go, put that like that. No cameras right there. 2 gadgets to hang up the camera right there to the mirror. So there you go, guys. That's what's in the box. Okay, guys, a couple of things before you put the camera on. It's got this little cover on the camera. Just peel that off. And then you have obviously you got this satisfying little peel right here, but we're not going to take that off until we get this up, and we're going to take these little grommets here. Well, like I said, the last video camera that I did, it had a plate here you had to put, a little sticker, which was a magnet kind of situation, and then the camera mounted on top of the thing, which was definitely not working. Now on this thing right here, I've got a big rear view mirror, and this thing is kind of same size, and one of the problems you have is this camera, so you just slide that camera out there, which is pretty cool, because if it's not your size, right, you get to slide this edge right here so that the camera is sticking up on the right there, and so that kind of puts it perfectly, especially for this mirror. Let's go ahead and put it on there and let's check it out. There we go. Boy, I hope this doesn't break. There we go. Okay. Guys, so let's put this, like I said, the USB goes here. Got to make sure that's going to the left. Power cable. Your rear view camera. Boom. Your GPS module. With the two-way tape. GPS goes right there. Okay, one of the good things also with this camera, we came with a 32 gigabyte SIM card, but when you do put this SIM card in, you have to format it. So when we turn it on, we'll go through that. You just slide that. Hopefully it goes right in there. It goes right in there. Oh, it pops out. Okay, good. That's easy to pop out. So that SIM card's in there. And let's put this GPS module right up here. Just for now, we might have to take that off, but we'll see. Okay. Comes with this little slip right here, which is just two-way tape, and then has two screws also. Because the camera itself, you notice, has two screws that if you wanted to put like right here or on top of a license plate, in my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the two-way tape on for testing purposes. I'm just gonna leave it right there. Make sure everything is good. Just pop this baby right back in there. Like I said, this is so that if you want to attach it to one of the rear view lights back here, whenever you put the car in reverse, that camera will come on. So let's close this. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. There you go. Power is on. Peel that baby off. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Please format the video. Yes. That's formatting the SD card right now that I put in. The GPS is taking over right there. GPS is going to give you not only the latitude, longitude, or location you have, so that if you get an accident, it knows where you're at and what time. Let's go over the camera real quick here, one last time, because I think it's very user-friendly. So let's go over the settings real quick here. Obviously, you have the front camera, and one of the things good about this situation here is all you have to do is that. You have the rear camera, then you swipe it the third time, and you have dual cameras. So I can just click one more time. We have the front camera. It has the GPS situation right here. Tells you the north, the 0, which I like. Tells you the miles per hour that you're actually going. And there's your screen. Has the date up on top over here, and then you have you got your home, you have your volume control, your camera, which you can just take a picture immediately. Then it has video. Obviously it starts the video and you hit that right there, turns it off. And if you're hitting a video, you notice the video signal, you hit this right here and it locks it, and you can tell it's being locked. It's a lock meaning it's not going to be erased, and it won't be not erased, but it won't be over looped. And you can turn that, you see a little symbol up there, then you can just turn that off right there. And you have your home, which gives you the option. You have your dash cam, your smart drive, your file explorer, your camera settings, and your systems settings. Real quick, the dash cam obviously just sends you back to the dash cam. Click home again. Then you have your smart drive. Smart drive is it's not technical. It's actually pretty easy to calibrate and the settings on it, but I'm not going to go over those real quick because those are in the user's manual. Basically, you hit that, it's telling you is that when you're moving left or right, is there a car in your blind side detection, which is this right here. And it just tells you, you know, beeps, or you can set it to tone, you can set it to beep, or you can just set it to view, which shows you little lines around the side and left side and right side of your car. Just tells you what's going on. Have your file explorer. The all the videos. You have video F. You can't really see that. You have video. You can turn off video F as the all your front camera video. Video B is your rear camera, your back camera video, and then the videos that you have locked, and then your images, which are your pictures that we've just taken. Okay, I'm looking at the video. I started the front camera, I turned it on, and I'm just checking to see if it's recording both rear and front at the same time. Okay, that is the front camera view. The rear camera view. Your camera settings, you have the recording resolution, which I have it at 1080p. Your loop record, your light source frequency, 6 hertz, G sensor. If you're on low, it take a lot of less impact for it to start recording. You have your parking mode, which is pretty cool. Actually, when it's in time-lapse record, it will do a 30-second video and it will compact it, or a 30-minute video while you're parked. Parking mode, just talked about that. Your WDR, basically what the WDR is, if you set that and you turn that on, your images will be a lot clearer, the left side and right side of the camera, how sometimes it's blurred or it's not clear as the front area of the camera. When you have WR set, it sets that to do. I have recording turned off. Video watermark, you take a picture or a video, it's going to put a watermark on there with the date and time and information is where you got it. Your rear mirror, I have that turned off. I mean, have that turned on. What that means is when you turn on the camera itself, the rear camera will be the one that shows up first instead of the front camera. And that's it for your camera settings. Then you have your system settings, stream media switch, the volume setting, pretty self-explanatory. Startup sound, I turn that off. Ketone sound, those are little beeps you hear every time you hit go, da 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 da. Turn that garbage off. Auto power off. Screen sleep, obviously self-explanatory. You want that to go 3. Speed unit, miles per hour or kilometers. Language setting, it's got every language. Time zone, Greenwich Mean Time, we're 8 hours, so I have it set for 8 hours. Voice control, there you go. Show rear camera.
Okay.
Show front camera.
Okay.
Show both cameras.
Okay.
Show front camera.
Okay.
Take photo. The satellite information gives you the latitude, longitude, date and time settings, self-explanatory. Disk formatting, when you first put in the SIM card, it will format the disk because that's what you want to do, or you can just hit format anytime. It will erase everything that's on it. It gives you the version of the camera and then restore the factory settings. Okay, that is the front camera view. The rear camera view. Well, that's it, guys. There's your Pelsee mirror dash camera. Very well built, self-explanatory. See this little slide here? I don't know if I mentioned that slides out. Other than that, I'm very impressed with this camera. Real easy to set up, real easy to take down. You can turn off the camera by just hitting this right here, and then you have your regular P10 Pro. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, liking. All the information about the Pelsee P10 will be in the information and description of this video. I appreciate it. Like I said, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, liking, and please comment on the video. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you next time on Starboard Bows. Let's review this.